Well, how's it going, everyone? Well, today we are going to pick up one of our project cars that unfortunately we have not touched in over 6 months. And which one is that, you're asking? It is the 1983 Chevette diesel that we have over at the Bearded Rancher's house. We've been hoping to work on it, but a bunch of other projects and things have arrived or come up, so it's kind of got put on the back burner. And he would like it out of his yard, so we're gonna hook up to the trailer and go pick that thing up and drag it home. Do have to do some work in the Suburban here. We got a lot of stuff. I got the hatch actually they picked up for the Mini, and hook up to the trailer and go over to Luke's. For those of you that are watching this video that have a Chevette diesel or have had a Chevette diesel, we need your help. Dealing with a starting issue still. We think the timing is off with the injection pump. Bought the car with a new injection pump and a head gasket, and the car acts like it wants to fire. You can use the little primer pumper handle thing under the hood. Sorry, I'm hooking the trailer up right now. And it'll sort of kick to life a little. If I can get a battery in this thing, I can kind of show you guys what it's doing. But yeah, still can't get to fire. I don't know too much about them. I think there's a manual in the car here somewhere. But I'd really like to get this thing going. So if anybody's got any like forums or links that can definitely help out, please comment down below on this so that we can get this car going. I think it'd be a fun Lemons car for maybe end of 2023 or sometime in 2024. So yeah. All right, all hooked up to the trailer. Let's get over to Luke's house and let's go get the Chevette. All right, made it to Luke's house. Luke is cleaning up some glass that was on the ground, and we're gonna try to winch the Chevette on the trailer. Luckily, I brought my winch. I know it's a little rigged. I can't find my other receiver I had that actually goes on this side of the tongue to pull the car on, but got the winch plate and the battery charger pack just in case the deep cycle battery is dead, which it probably is. So let's get this thing on the trailer. Trailer! So we're gonna use the world's best quiet, silent battery jumper pack to show you what this thing's doing. The battery's a little dead, but we're gonna give it some power. Well, after multiple attempts to try to get the car to turn over with the battery that was in it, I decided I'm just gonna go to the nearest auto parts store and go get a battery. They're not that expensive. And hopefully with a battery in this thing, you guys can see what it's doing. I don't know if it's water in the fuel or if the timing is off or something, but if anybody knows, please comment down below and let me know. All right, we are back home with a brand new battery in the Chevette. Here's the engine. I have been looking at these fuel lines. Not sure if we're supposed to have rubber fuel lines going everywhere on this car. Please let me know. Once again, as I'm not really too familiar with these. Looks like someone might have cut a metal line that went from the fuel filter to here. So I know the primer still works because I can push down on it. Let's go inside the car and see what we can get it to do. So there's not a lot of room in the car for me right now with all these parts, but let's get the key in the ignition. I'm assuming that this light down here at the bottom is the glow plugs. So I'm gonna hold that down for a minute. And see what it does. That's about all it does. Sometimes it'll kick to life for a quick puff, but that's about it. Oh, we have a cat in here now. Hello, Gabby. So if anybody can help me out on what is going on with this car, that'd be great. Like I said, got a lot of crap in here. I've had people tell me it's the injection pumps out of time. Other people are telling me it's water in the fuel. I checked the diesel that was in the filter. There was no water in it. I still could not get this thing to start. So if anybody has ideas, once again, please comment down below or reach out to us on Instagram, Hubert's Project, or we're the Little Yikes, Lemons Little Yikes on Instagram. And what are you doing, Gabby? Sorry about that. Cat is going crazy in the back of the car. But yeah, Lemons Little Yikes on Instagram or here on Hubert's Projects. Let us know if you guys have any experience with these cars. I'm going to try to go through the manuals and see if I can find anything out. But thanks for watching, and hopefully we can get this car back on the road. Keith, this is what I'm looking at. I don't know how to flip my camera around on my phone. Does this work? Does that work? Nope. That? This? Nope. So here's our wonderful little Isuzu diesel motor. The head gasket was replaced, the head was redone, and here's the fuel lines I'm talking about. That should probably be a hard line from the pump or the filter there to the engine where this line is, and this one's kind of weird that it goes down there like that. So maybe I need to start looking for some fuel lines for the car. You're a diesel guy. I don't know things. I'm not very smart. There's the intake. That's off. I haven't tried to give it the Cosby sauce yet because I don't want to hurt it. Help.